Welcome to our in-depth few minutes exploration into the life and philosophical journey of Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha. In this video, we will delve deep into the biography of the Enlightened One and unravel the profound teachings that have guided millions on the path to wisdom and inner peace. Siddhartha Gautama was born in Lumbini, present-day Nepal, around 563 BCE. His early life was one of luxury and privilege, shielded from the suffering of the world. But his encounter with human suffering sparked a profound quest for truth and enlightenment. In the heart of ancient India, a prince's profound journey unfolded, igniting a revolution in human consciousness that continues to reverberate through time. Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha, transcended his princely life to uncover the secrets of existence. Beyond the tales of a prince-turned-ascetic, Siddhartha's story is a radiant beacon of hope, wisdom, and compassion that offers solace to seekers across generations. At the age of 29, Siddhartha renounced his princely life and embarked on a spiritual journey of self-discovery. He wandered as an ascetic, seeking answers from various teachers and practicing severe austerities. After years of arduous seeking, Siddhartha found solace beneath the Bodhi tree. His relentless meditation culminated in a moment of enlightenment, a revelation that shattered the chains of ignorance and unveiled the Four Noble Truths, the cornerstone of Buddhism. These truths spoke to the heart of human suffering, revealing its origin in attachment and craving. Siddhartha's wisdom unveiled the path to liberation, offering humanity an escape from the cycle of suffering and rebirth. Siddhartha's quest culminated under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, where he experienced enlightenment. He gained profound insights into the nature of suffering, its origin, and the path to liberation. Siddhartha expounded the Eightfold Path, a guide to ethical and mental development that leads to enlightenment. This path emphasizes wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental cultivation. After his enlightenment, Siddhartha, now known as the Buddha, began to teach the Dharma, the path to liberation. He traveled and shared his teachings with diverse audiences, inspiring countless followers. The Buddha established the Sangha, a community of monks and nuns who dedicated themselves to practicing and spreading his teachings. The Sangha became a vital part of the Buddhist tradition. The Buddha emphasized the cultivation of metta, loving kindness, and compassion as essential qualities on the path to enlightenment. These virtues extended to all sentient beings. The Buddha often used parables and stories to convey profound teachings in accessible ways. These tales continue to inspire and guide individuals in their spiritual journeys. The Buddha's life came to an end around 483 BCE in Kushinagar. His final days were marked by teachings, guidance to his disciples, and his eventual passing into Mahaparinibbana, a state beyond suffering. The Buddha's teachings continued to spread across Asia and beyond, giving rise to various Buddhist traditions. His legacy endures as a source of wisdom, compassion, and a roadmap to enlightenment. The Buddha's teachings transcend cultural and temporal boundaries, offering a universal message of liberation from suffering through self-awareness, wisdom, and compassion. As we conclude this immersive journey, we recognize the profound impact of the Buddha's life and teachings. From his early quest for truth to his enlightenment under the Bodhi tree, the legacy of Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, remains a guiding light for seekers of wisdom and compassion. If you found this exploration into the life and philosophy of the Buddha enlightening, consider sharing the video with others on their spiritual journey. Subscribe to our channel for more profound insights into history, philosophy, and self-discovery. Thank you for joining us on this transformative odyssey.